Welcome back. In the last video, we learned about data types. We saw that Python can store numbers, text, and other kinds of information. But storing numbers isn't very exciting. The real question is this: can Python do something with those numbers? Let's find out. Imagine I give you two numbers, 5 and 3. What happens if we add them together? Most people would immediately say 8. Can Python figure that out too? Let's test it. Open your code editor and write print 5 plus 3. Now run the program. The output is 8. Interesting. Python didn't display the symbols. It actually calculated the answer. Let's try something else. Print 10 to 4. Before running it, can you guess the answer? Run the program. The output is 6. This time Python performed subtraction. Now let's try multiplication. Print 3 by 4. Run it. The output is 12. The star symbol, called an asterisk, means multiply. You won't find a multiplication sign on your keyboard, so Python uses the asterisk instead. You'll use it a lot in Python. Now let's try division. Print 12/3. Run the program. The output is 4.0. Wait a second. Why did Python show 4.0 instead of just 4? Remember the data types from the last video? 4.0 is a decimal number. And decimal numbers use the float data type. Even when the answer looks like a whole number, division often produces a float. So far, we've used numbers directly. But what if our numbers are stored inside variables? Let's try that. Score equals 100 bonus equals 50 print, score plus bonus. What do you think the output will be? Run it. The answer is 150. Python looked up the value of score. Then it looked up the value of bonus. And then it added them together. This is where variables become really useful. Now let's build something small. A simple calculator. Create two variables. Number 1 equals 25, number 2 equals 10. Now write print number 1 plus number 2, print number 1, number 2, print number 1 asterisk number 2, print number 1 slash number 2. Before you run it, try to predict the answers. Ready? Run the program. The output is 35, 15, 252.5. Congratulations! You just built a simple calculator in Python. Right now the numbers are fixed. Every time we run the program, it uses the same values. But what if the user wants to enter their own numbers? We'll solve that soon. Before we finish, let's try a quick challenge. Look at this code. Number 1 equals 8, number 2 equals 2, print number 1 asterisk number 2. What do you think the answer will be? Pause the video if you'd like to think about it. Ready? Let's run it. The output is 16. Let's try one more. Number 1 equals 20, number 2 equals 5, print number 1 slash number 2. What do you think the answer will be? Run it. The output is 4.0. Notice that Python still shows a decimal number. That's because division creates a float. Great job! You now know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers in Python. And you've even built your first simple calculator. In the next video, we'll make our programs interactive by allowing users to enter their own information. That's where programming starts to become really interesting. Let's go.